Hello and welcome to Ideas and Trend. Today we are going to show you 120 best DIY Christmas gift baskets. Add a personal touch to your Christmas gift this year with these unique DIY Christmas gift baskets. There are over 100 gift baskets ideas for everyone on your Christmas list, including women, men, kids, teens, friends, and more. Also, there are many different themed gift baskets, so you are sure to find the perfect gift idea for that someone special, like food and drink DIY Christmas gift basket, Christmas morning coffee gift basket, hot cocoa gift basket, Christmas breakfast hostess gift basket, Christmas cookie gift basket, Christmas sprinkles, Christmas cookie gift box, coffee lovers gift basket, easy dinner kit pasta and homemade pasta sauce and ribbon, white yarn colander and printable tag, copper mug, gifts in a jar, Christmas baking kit, coffee gift basket, banana bread and honey butter, Christmas chocolate gift basket, easy DIY gift basket, DIY sangria gift ideas, wine gift basket, Christmas sundaes, bundt cake gift basket, tea lovers and gift basket, easy DIY cookie basket, Christmas morning pancake breakfast gift basket, mini bar in a jar, wine gift basket, pancake Christmas to flip over gift basket, ice cream gift in a jar, gourmet popcorn gift basket, food gift basket, gourmet food basket, ice cream gift box, nail care gift idea like nail polish, nail care kit, nail polish remover, tulips, cotton balls, small galvanized pail, ribbon. You can get everything but the fresh flowers at Dollar Tree. Body care gift ideas like towels, curling ribbons, nail polish, necklace lotion, body spray, cozy gift wrap for warm, wire basket through wine glass, chocolates, pajamas, slippers, fuzzy socks, body wash, perfume, perfect pedicure gift basket, DIY spa gift basket, snow day survival kit, DIY manicure gift basket, entertainer gift basket from Pop Sugar, scrapbooker's gift in a jar, homemade peppermint pampering gifts in a jar, lettuce shoe gift basket, DIY peppermint soap gift basket, shower kit, oven mitt gift idea, DIY candle gift basket, Dollar Tree folded towel gift idea, spa themed gift basket, DIY girls night gift basket, Dove gift basket for her, DIY mini spa kit gift basket, DIY spa kit including body lotion, body care, creams, etc., manicure or pedicure in a jar like metallic spray paint, sticker, painter's tape, mason jar, nail polish, nail care kit, etc. Crock pot gift basket, DIY relaxing gift basket, Christmas gift baskets for kid and teens, elf gift basket, DIY art caddy, creativity in a box, pink gift basket, mason jar gift basket, purple teen gift basket for girls, DIY art supply caddy, Christmas Eve traditional gift basket, family game night gift basket, movie night gift basket, family movie night gift basket for men, cookout kit, DIY gift basket for fathers, sports theme gift bucket, slippers gift idea, car care gift basket, fire pit gift basket, BBQ gift basket, woodworker gift crate, the manly gift bucket from Tried and Twisted, fisherman gift crate, sentensible gift basket for him, gamer gift basket, toolkit gift basket, the cuddle kit, barbecue gift basket, men's DIY gift basket, friends and family DIY Christmas gift basket, Christmas decoration gift basket, get well gift kit, Christmas potpourri gift in a jar, easy gift idea for friends, pine cone fire starter gift basket. Other than that, you can also make some basket with women perfume or men perfumes. I hope I have shown you more than 120 gift ideas in this video. See, enjoy and pick the idea for your this Christmas. If you like this video, then share it and also subscribe my channel. Thank you.